My name is Jennifer Jill Schwerzer. I am a licensed counselor, professional counselor, licensed in the state of Pennsylvania and nationally certified. Some people call people like me psychotherapist. Day in and day out, people come into my office and we work through their problems, and I see certain patterns that tend to repeat themselves. And I decided to boil down those patterns into a presentation that I call the 7 Deadly Psychological Sins. Let me share a little bit about what I mean about deadly psychological sins. These aren't moral sins per se, but they are things that we do that sabotage ourselves, hurt other people, or sabotage our relationships. In other words, they're ways in which we dysfunction, we might say it that way. The format of my videos here is that I'm going to start out with the deadly psychological sin. I'm going to develop it. I'm going to help explain what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to share with you a replacement behavior. Because it's futile to just point out our problems. We need to come up with a replacement for those problems. We have an expression in behavioral psychology which says that negative reinforcement stops behavior, but positive reinforcement encourages behavior. So if we don't replace those negative patterns with something positive, then we're likely to relapse. Just like Jesus said, if you get one demon out, if you don't fill that room with something, 7 more are going to come in. So I'm going to give you the replacement behavior that will help to substitute for that dysfunctional pattern in your life or in the life of someone else. And I hope it's real helpful to you. I'm going to do my best to share something that's encouraging and uplifting and useful to you.